6-pound test, rod, reel, older than me, old school wooden, topwater, walk the dog thing, first cast. God damn. Wish I got that one on video. Hit that thing at 100 miles an hour. Please don't come off this floor. Get out of the trees, get out of the trees, get out of the trees. Alright, you want something like that? Okay. And I'm even wrapped around a tree, but freaking big boy on my little 6-pound line. You did see that first cast, by the way. Barbless hooks, which is really nice. I do that with all of my stuff. But yeah, I'm not holding that fish out.